Hello language enthusiasts! Ever found yourself feeling scared and unsure how to express it? Today, let's dive into 10 different phrases that mean the same as I'm scared. Our first phrase is I'm frightened, a common way to convey fear. I'm terrified is another strong expression used when one is extremely scared. I'm apprehensive or I'm uneasy suggests a sense of unease about something upcoming. I'm anxious can be used when worried about a situation. I'm spooked is a casual way to express a sudden fright. I'm unnerved is often used when you're disturbed by something unexpected. I'm shaken means you're deeply affected by an event. I'm petrified is when you're paralyzed with fear. I'm intimidated is used when feeling threatened or overwhelmed by a situation or person. I'm panicking indicates a sudden uncontrollable fear. Now, let's delve into when and how to use these expressions effectively. I'm frightened and I'm terrified are best for situations of intense fear, like watching a horror movie. I'm apprehensive, I'm anxious or I'm uneasy can be used when you're waiting for exam results or an interview call. I'm spooked is great after a sudden fright, like a loud noise. I'm shaken is apt when you've experienced a near-miss accident. I'm unnerved is fitting when something unexpected happens, like a surprise in a haunted house. I'm petrified could be your go-to phrase when you encounter a giant spider or when you're stuck in an elevator. I'm intimidated is excellent when facing a challenging task or meeting someone you greatly admire. I'm panicking is most suitable when situations get out of control, like when you can't find your passport before a flight. Let's go over some scenarios we can all relate to. Imagine you're watching a suspense movie, and there's a sudden jump scare. Instead of just saying I'm scared, you can exclaim, I'm spooked. If you're waiting to make a public speech and feeling nervous, I'm anxious about this speech conveys your emotion perfectly. Ever faced a giant dog barking at you? In that case, saying, I'm petrified right now, can truly communicate the level of your fear. Or maybe you're about to bungee jump for the first time. Expressing, I'm terrified captures the essence of the moment. In essence, each phrase has its unique nuance, making your communication richer and more expressive. It empowers you to articulate your emotions with depth and clarity. By now, you've gained a toolkit of phrases to convey varying degrees of fear. Use them in your conversations, writings, and even in understanding books and movies better. So, the next time fear strikes, remember you have a plethora of ways to express it. Challenge yourself to use different phrases and see the difference it makes in your communication. And always remember, it's okay to be scared, but it's also great to talk about it. Let's explore a few more scenarios. Imagine you're about to ride a roller coaster for the first time. As the ride starts to ascend, you might yell at your friend, I'm uneasy about this drop. Or perhaps you're walking home late at night and hear a rustling in the bushes. I'm unnerved by that sound, you might think to yourself. If you're preparing to ask someone out on a date and your palms are sweaty, I'm anxious about their response would be a fitting expression. And if you're about to enter a room where you'll be meeting an entrepreneur you've always admired, admitting I'm intimidated by the thought of meeting them captures your feelings perfectly. In conclusion, the language we use to express our emotions is vast and varied. Embrace these phrases and enrich your vocabulary. Remember, it's not just about saying you're scared, it's about conveying the depth and nuance of that fear. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more nuanced language content. Stay fearless, and keep expressing.